Esperanza is an apartment complex for sale in Dallas, Texas. It's a great community and it has great access to the off of Spring Valley right here. And there's good shopping and grocery stores, and it's right near 75.
We're here in the courtyard of Esperanza. Really nice exterior paint job recently done. On this property right here off of 75 in Spring Valley. This property is well occupied. It'll qualify for agency financing on this deal, and so definitely reach out to us and we'll be able to get you a quote on it. What do you think about this property, James, after coming out?
So I think this property is a really nice property. The community seems really nice. You can hear kids playing in the background. The exterior looks really nice. They did a good job. And yeah, it's just got a nice community feel to it. Looks